are we?
Disneyland!
Don't be so loud. Are you excited?
Yeah, so excited. We're going to go on ride, see characters, and we're going to have so much fun today. I'm so excited for today.
So we just walked in and we got lucky. It rained all day yesterday, but today it stopped raining. I think it's supposed to stop raining for the rest of the day. Tomorrow is going to be a rain fest. But what are you excited about, Bear?
I'm excited for the ride and to look for YouTubers.
Yeah, so let's head on in.
I see a train.
You see a train?
Yeah.
Where at, Carter? Oh, there's a monorail.
Thank you.
You're in. You're in. Welcome in, Chloe. All right, so what did we notice the second we walked in the park?
The ears, the mini ears.
Yes.
They're like new and I need them.
And they're gonna match our Disney bounding outfit for Sweethearts Night. They're like right over there in this little like kiosk here. But yes, they're gonna look perfect. I can't wait.
Yes, I can't wait.
Guys, excited? And we need to get our Magic Key popcorn bucket. Yeah, we bought Magic Keys so we can get the Magic Key popcorn bucket with $1.75 refills. That's what I'm talking about. They're all hanging out up on the train station. Camden. All right, we just finished our pictures in front of the castle because we forgot to do that last year, and now taking a walk through the castle. Our first ride is going to be on Alice in Wonderland. And just the other day, the castle still had snow on it, but it's back to like the blue shingles. I like the castle like this a lot, don't you?
Me too.
Like it's, I like just classic Disney. Classic Disney. You want an Alice in Wonderland ride, Cody?
Wonderland ride?
Yeah. We got the Alice and the Mad Hatter over here. And Aladdin.
I like your fancy hat.
It's very nice to meet me.
Oh, it's your birthday! Happy birthday!
Follow the white rabbit down the rabbit hole. All of a sudden, I fell. Down, down, down.
Looking for the white rabbit? Well, see for yourself.
With their heads. Stop
Hi guys! Next up in our Fantasyland trip is Dumbo the elephant. And are you going to help us fly? You're going to fly super high?
Yeah, I like Dumbo.
You like this ride?
Yeah.
Say hi, Cody. Well, we're so high up. Where did Mom go?
Hi!
What?
Your mom!
Wow! How'd they get so high up? We already rode almost all the Fantasyland rides and it's only 9:30 in the morning. We're doing Snow White right now. What ride did we just get off? What ride did we just get off?
Mr. Toad, Mr. Toad.
Okay, Mr. Toad Cooper, what are you gonna ride while we do Mr. Toad?
Pinocchio.
By yourself?
Then I'm on it. Then when you
And then meet us at the exit, okay?
by the car.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, next up is Mr. Toad's Wild Ride. Cooper's riding Pinocchio by himself because for some reason he just doesn't like this ride.
Yeah, but it's kind of weird that he doesn't like this ride, but he likes Guardians of the Galaxy.
I know, he thinks it's too loud. Cody, stay here. Carter.
Remember last year, Guardians of the Galaxy, he liked it, but he gave it a 10 out of 4.
What?
Yeah, he gave it a 10 out of 4.
Weird.
Welcome to Toad Hall.
Whoa, this one goes so fast. Camden. Hi, we're gonna ride the carousel and Mary Poppins and Bert and the band are on it. But if you're wondering what today, we're just kind of like hanging out today. This video has no plan, just a day at Disneyland. Mary Poppins and Bert are right over there. We're gonna try to ride with them. See that right there? So cool. Hi. Hi. Can you believe that you're by Bert and Mary Poppins right now?
That's why they speak like,
They have like an accent. That one, that one.
As you all know each other, brother and sister.
Yep.
I don't like that.
Hi, Carter. Camden, how's your car, Bubble Wand? We're gonna go to Small World ride, Carter.
What are your names? What's your name?
Cooper.
Cooper. And what are your names? Carter, I see it's your birthday today. Is it anyone else's birthday or just Carter?
Cody, this was 2 weeks ago.
Wow, here you go. A few thingamabobs in there too.
That's so awesome, Chloe. Right there. Heading into Toontown. Last time it was only the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway that was open. I'm so excited to see it, aren't you?
Yeah, we just saw the new Ariel
Yes, the new Ariel
from the new movie.
from the new Mermaid movie. I bet Toontown's a busy hopping joint. Back in the day, I joked it was Diaper Town because it smells like a bunch of babies with dirty diaper. This is so cool. Goofy's Play Yard. Look at this, this is so cool. They've got slides for the kids. Goofy's house here. Camden. Camden. Hi, buddy. Go, guys. Go, Cody, go. Oh, that's cool. Is it like a roller? Up here we got, I think it's that Max from Goofy's movie. Hi, Carson. Do you like this place? What is this thing? Hidden Mickey? Oh, it rings the bells. Faster, faster, faster. Well, what happens inside of his oven? Turn it. Wow.
Did a really good job with this.
Camden. Wow. Hi. Yeah, what do you think about Toontown?
It's amazing.
Yeah, I'm impressed.
Really
Do you know
impressed.
every single ride in this town is not working right now?
So sad.
All three rides temporary closed. So sad. So we might ride one. But the kids are having fun on this slide over here. Good way for them to burn some energy off without waiting in a line. Yes. Go. Go. Walk.
Come on, Mike.
Hey Cody, do you want to go to Mickey Mouse's house? Hold my hand. Yeah, in 20 minutes we're gonna do it. Into Mickey Mouse's house, and then we're gonna ride this ride. One of my favorite rides in the whole park. Mickey's Runaway Railway. Such a fun ride. Do you love that ride, girl?
We're not going on it.
In 20 minutes we are. So over here we've got Minnie's house. And Mickey's house over here. Nice lawn, you can have a picnic. Like these people have the picnic, you can buy like a picnic set, which is cool. And it's actually not that busy over here. 15-minute wait for Mickey's ride. It's Mickey's house. It's been so long since we've been in Mickey's house. You're like, when it wasn't open last time. Usually you can't like actually stop and look. Sit on their chair. Hey look, he's watching TV. We're almost there. This is the screening room, and then we get to meet Mickey Mouse. It's not a ride, it's just like meet Mickey at his house. Your turn. Hi, Mickey.
You guys all have a great day today. High five. handshake.
Camden, do you want to come see Mickey?
Hi, Mickey. I'm having fun in Disneyland.
Oh, that's so to do that. What's been
Camden.
your favorite part so far?
Going on the rides.
Oh,
Yeah, which rides have you gone on?
We went on Alice in Wonderland, Dumbo, Snow White, Pinocchio, Peter Pan, and Small World.
You went on a lot of rides so far. That's pretty cool.
and that's it.
And it's our first day.
That's it.
It's our first day.
How long are you guys here for?
Till Monday? Next Monday?
9 days. 9 days. That's a lot of time spent in Disney. So we'll see you a couple more times then, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Oh, I need it.
Yeah, don't forget your autograph. Mickey's house, huge success. Love Mickey's house. Camden, you were a little scared, but you ended up meeting Mickey. Did you like Mickey? Do you like Mickey Mouse? Yeah. Okay, now on to my favorite ride, Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Cooper, what do you think about this ride?
I love it.
Yeah. Camden, do you excited to go on Mickey's ride? Camden, do you want to go on Mickey's ride? Yeah? Look at the airplane. Cool.
And enjoy the world premiere. Perfect picnic starring Mickey
We're the only ones in here?
Here's Carter.
I don't know where Carter is.
Oh, hi, you folks. We'll take a ride on the train.
Look, our magic bands are lighting up in line for Mickey's Runaway Railway. Is your band lighting up, Carter? Goofy broke the screen?
Yeah.
Let me see your band.
No, he didn't.
Cool. Camden, what in the world? He got bubbles in his hair. Look at your hair.
He has a
Got a
poopy
pizza
diaper.
face. What a mess.
And he has a poopy diaper.
Are you having fun?
Let me ask.
Okay, we're at Galaxy's Edge, and I decided to try this cold brew I've always wanted to try. It's like a Cocoa Puffs with like a cream cheese cold brew. I don't remember what it's called, but it's super good. We're on our way to Haunted Mansion Holiday because tomorrow it closes for like 10 months, so we have to get a ride on that. We have a fast pass for that one. Okay, Carson, what are we going on now?
Haunted Mansion Holiday.
The Haunted Mansion Holiday with Jack Skellington. Because it closes tomorrow for like months, right?
Yeah, because we're going to help.
Yep, and then, well, they're rebuilding, so they're rebuilding the queue over here, and then, Carson, right over there, there's going to be a new gift shop.
What gift shop?
Up is Thunder Mountain Railroad. And Cody, are you going to ride the Thunder Mountain Railroad? Yeah, we've had a great day today, just kind of running around doing tons of rides. It's not very busy. Chloe, are you ready for this ride? Carter, are you riding it? Come with us. Carter's going to ride the big Thunder Mountain Railroad, right?
Yeah, good.
You're not scared?
No. Yes, Carter's first time and Cody's first time.
How are you feeling about Thunder Mountain?
Excited.
Good?
The ducks are eating the crumbs on the ground.
What are they eating?
The ducks are eating the crumbs today, so it's all clear.
They're eating the crumbs?
Well, we sometimes have to go swimming.
Quack, quack.
Can we go swimming?
In here? No? Carter, are you excited for this ride?
Yeah.
You're gonna love it. It's so much fun. Here comes a train. Are you so excited, Carter? You're gonna love it.
Arms, feet, and legs inside the train, and be sure to watch your kids. If any of you kids are
You want me to take a video of the ride? Watch. Sad news. It literally, we got on the ride and then it broke down, so we didn't get to ride it. You got to sit on the ride, Carter. We didn't get to go on it, but you got to sit on it, so that's a step. Camden, are you having a Mickey beignet? Is that yummy?
Yum.
How is it, Carter? Yum. Beignet. How is it? Do you want to? I'm gonna put this under your stroller so you don't get it all over because those are messy. Well, we're waiting for Chloe and Melissa. They got grilled cheese, and then we're gonna go do Space Mountain. We figured let's go do a round trip on the monorail because Cooper didn't get to ride it. Rude. Cooper didn't get to ride it last time, so we'll do a quick round trip so he'll be happy with the monorail ride. It's a beautiful night tonight. Tomorrow they're expecting like 2 inches of rain, so that should be interesting. There goes the monorail. Cooper, are you excited for your monorail ride?
Of course.
Hi, Cooper. Here we go, guys. The nighttime monorail ride.
Yeah, we can see our hotel.
Oh yeah, we will see our hotel.
I see Space Mountain.
We're now beginning a 2.5-mile journey to downtown Disney Station and back. For a safe trip, remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the cabin. Be sure to watch your children and no smoking, please.
There's our hotel. That's where we're staying, right there. Hey guys, we finished day 1. It's day 2, but today you'll notice is our rainy day, so we're not going to be doing much vlogging today, if any. It's the camera's not waterproof, and it's just the rain already is going to be an adventure. But Cooper, what was your favorite part of the day?
All the rides, and we're gonna go to California Adventure Train ride, but if some of them were closed, it's still gonna be a great day.
Favorite part of the? What was your favorite part of the day?
Going on the Star Tours ride.
Going on the Star Tours ride. Chloe, what was your favorite part?
My favorite part was going on rides and going on Space Mountain. And